Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Wacom Intuos and Intuos Pro. I've been using Wacom tablets for, I'd say like 15 years now, and I can't imagine my workday without one. If you're any sort of digital artist and you haven't tried a drawing tablet yet, consider this your super quick intro on why you should get one ASAP. Let's start with what comes in the box. This first one is the Wacom Intuos Pro. The model that I'm featuring here is the PTH660. It comes with a few more accessories than the base model Intuos. In its box, you'll find the pen tablet, the Pro Pen 2, a pen stand for the Pro Pen 2, 4 extra pen color rings, a texture sheet sample card, a regulation sheet, a 2-meter USB cable, a quick start guide, and an online user manual. The Intuos Pro connects to your computer with a USB 2 to USB-C cable, and I actually find that if you do a little upgrade and you get yourself a USB-C to USB-C cable and plug that directly into your device, seeing as most devices nowadays don't have USB ports anymore, it actually works much more smoothly and quickly. In the Wacom Intuos, that slightly smaller one, you'll find the pen tablet itself, a battery-free 4K Wacom pen, USB-C to micro USB cable, a nib removal tool, a quick start guide, a regulation sheet, and an online user guide. Inside the pen comes 3 extra nib tips, and this is the CTL 6100. The basic Wacom Intuos has 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It has a customizable setup with a paper-like surface, 4 customizable buttons on the top of the tablet, and 2 customizable buttons on the pen, plus its little eraser back end, which everyone sort of seems to forget about, but that is also customizable and it can be very handy, especially if you're using it in things like Photoshop. These pen nibs very much do wear down over time, as you can tell. That's my sort of working pen on the left-hand side there, which is why it's so handy to have those extra nibs. The Intuos Pro features more levels of customization as well as more sensitivity than the Intuos. It's connected through USB or via Bluetooth 4.0 and has 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, as well as angle recognition, which is great if you're using your tablet for something like digital painting. Like the regular Intuos, the Pro is compatible with both Mac and PC devices, but it has a full multi-touch sensitive surface and 8 customizable express keys as well as a touch ring. It also has 2 separate ports in, so you can plug in its USB-C on either the left or the right, which means that you can reorient the board based off of whether you're right or left-handed, but also just which side you prefer to have your custom keys on. Let's loop back for a second to that multi-touch surface, because this is what I think makes the Pro really worth its price. Normally when you're working with a drawing tablet, if you're working with something that's sort of more like lower end of the line, something really accessible, something like the Wacom Intuos, you're going to have to use a separate device if you have a lot of swiping gestures or something like that, because the Intuos only works with the pen that it comes with. So I know in my setup, I've got a basic Intuos and then I've got a Apple Magic touchpad. So in one hand, I'll do my touchpad, and in the other, I'll grab my pen, or I'll hold the pen in my hand and switch devices to swipe. These are both excellent products, and I get more into that on the Best Buy blog, where I've got a breakdown review and comparison of these products. But what I really enjoy about the Intuos line, and kind of the Wacom line on the whole, is that all of the products have very different use cases, at least in my opinion. So for the Intuos, you get an awesome tool at this really accessible price tag. It's great for gifts. It's a great basic drawing tablet. I think it's stellar for drawing, sketching, digital painting, Photoshop, Lightroom, stuff like that. The Intuos Pro, you get this beautiful semi-professional tool at an elevated price tag, but you also get that elevated experience. It's worth the price increase. It gives you a larger working surface, extra pen precision, tilt recognition, and that gorgeous touch-sensitive surface. The Intuos Pro is maybe not enough if you're, for instance, working a super commercial 9-to-5, doing something like CGI for video editing, something really broad scale. You're obviously going to want something with a screen for that. But for that sort of mid-range, this is an awesome tool. I'm talking professional photographers, wedding photographers, digital artists, small businesses. That's when I would definitely look into getting the Intuos Pro. As well as, if you just love doing digital art as a hobby for yourself and you've gotten really good at it, this is a great treat that's going to improve that experience. These are both available online at Best Buy, and as always, thank you so much for watching.